Hello my viewers around the globe, this is Simaligas. For today's video, I want to show you how you can set security on your Bybit account. In simple terms, how you can set or add Google Authenticator on your Bybit account. So just stick with me until the very end. Yesterday went and tomorrow is not your day. So your day of buying Bitcoin, the best day is today. So if you don't have any platform where you're going to buy Bitcoin from, just go in my description below and you'll find all these links: Bybit, Binance, Bitget, Coinbase, and you'll find all those links, and you can still earn up to 7,210 in commission. So let's dive into the video. Once you're on Bybit, you come here on this button and you click on account and security. So under account and security, there is a lot of things, but majorly for us we're going to talk about advanced protection, and that is Google 2-factor authentication. Let's start. You go on settings. So once you're here, you're going to select send verification code to your email and you copy it from your email. So once you're on your email, you just copy it and it's here. So you go back and click it here, you paste it and confirm. So once you have confirmed, please make sure that you copy this code, because this code will be asked in case your Google Authenticator or your phone or any gadget that you're using get lost. This is the code that you're going to put in your another phone or gadget to get back your Google Authenticator. And in most cases, if you don't have it, it is very rare to get back your Google Authenticator. In other words, to get back your account. So be keen with this code. So if you haven't found where you're going to add your Google Authenticator or Bybit on your gadget or on your phone from, just go down where there is a plus button and you click on it. You'll find there is a scan barcode and enter a provided key. So this is the provided key and this is the scanning. So after scanning it, you can scan from here or you can enter the provided key. So once you're done, and for me I've got my Google Authenticator, you put it exactly as it is. You copy it because it changes every after 30 seconds. So once you are done like this, then you confirm. So successfully set up Google Authenticator. You've already set your Google Authenticator. So they are saying that you go back. So once you're here, you just click here to see whether you're not a robot. And now they're asking the Google Authenticator. You go back where there is your Google Authenticator, you copy it like this. So you're done, and now you're back into your account. So you can see that now your setting is ticked. So we have already set our Google 2-factor authentication. So that's all for today. If you don't have any Bitcoin, please, your time is today. Bye for today. Good luck.